Another area of the system that's important to mention is what's referred to as dimensions. Now, other systems have this facility to some extent, but the primary purpose of dimensions is to allow us to work from a condensed chart of accounts while still allowing us to pull out the data that we want to. So if we have a look at expenses, for example, so salaries, office expenses, miscellaneous expenses. It could be that our organisation is set up so that we have different departments, so sales, production, admin, for example, and we don't necessarily want to have a different nominal code for all of those different departments because it makes our chart of accounts a bit unwieldy and a bit complex, but we do want to be able to report by those different departments. So what we can do is we can go into dimensions, and we can specify, for lack of a better word, what filters we want to apply to certain transactions so that we can then start reporting on those different areas. So if I go into department, go into dimension values, we can set up as many different values to be able to chop and slice our data as we want to. So there we've got administration, production and sales. Once we start transacting, and we'll move on to that in a second, going through journals and invoicing, but what we can then do is go into balance, run a report such as balance by dimension. Here we've got department selected. All I then need to do is show matrix, and it's going to slice up our chart of accounts for us. So we can see here that we've got income from services, of which 2,000 of that has come from the sales department, and I think there's a few expenses coming down here potentially, but not a lot of data in this particular demo system. But you can see how easy it is to start using dimensions to slice and dice your data. To order Dynamics 365 licenses or to sign up to a 30-day free trial, navigate to d365.link/now.